Although Rigetti Computing's financial improvement is going at analog pace, it still retains a loyal base and constant attention because of the quantum leaps accelerating its technical progress. Its solid reputation led to a notable win for its Indian subsidiary, which secured an $8.4 million purchase order from India's Centre for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, to deliver a 108-qubit quantum system. Scheduled for deployment in the second half of 2026 at CDAC's Bengaluru Center, this will mark the organization's first integrated quantum computer within its supercomputing data center. The deal builds on a September 2025 Memorandum of Understanding between Rigetti and CDAC to jointly develop hybrid quantum classical systems for government laboratories and academic research. The system will leverage Rigetti's chiplet-based architecture, a cornerstone of its strategy for scaling to higher qubit counts and enabling error-corrected, fault-tolerant quantum computing. The quantum processors utilize superconducting qubits with gate speeds of 50 to 70 nanoseconds, fabricated at Rigetti's Fab 1 facility, with on-premises and cloud deployment options spanning 9 to 180 qubits. Rigetti also updated the timeline for the Cepheus 1108Q system, its largest modular quantum computer to date, now expected around the end of Q1 2026, basically around the corner at this point. The delay stems from the need to optimize tunable couplers and further refine 2-qubit gate fidelity, which currently measures 99% on the 108-qubit system, 99.6% on the 36-qubit, and 99.7% on the 9-qubit system. The modular chiplet design supports scalability and improved fabrication control, representing a more practical alternative to monolithic chips. To gain back bullish sentiment after the delay, Rigetti is seen with green, since it's collaborating with NVIDIA on the NVQ-Link platform, an open system connecting CPUs, GPUs, and quantum processing units, QPUs, for hybrid quantum AI computing. This platform enables low-latency, high-throughput integration showcased at NVIDIA's GTC conference and builds on prior work integrating Rigetti's Novera QPU with NVIDIA DGX quantum systems for AI-assisted calibration and optimization. Despite ongoing technical progress, Rigetti remains financially unprofitable. In Q4 2025, revenue fell 17.4% year-over-year to $1.9 million, below the $2.32 million consensus, while EPS met expectations at -3 cents non-GAAP. Gross margin declined to 35%, reflecting contract mix, and operating expenses rose to $23.2 million due to increased R&D investment. Full-year revenue reached $7.1 million, with a GAAP net loss of $216.2 million. Though on the positive side, Rigetti ended 2025 with $590 million in cash and investments, up 172% year-over-year, providing substantial runway to advance its roadmap toward larger-scale quantum systems and practical quantum advantage. In the bigger picture, market interest around quantum computing companies like Rigetti is amplified due to reports of potential federal support through equity or alternative funding mechanisms. While the Trump administration clarified it is not necessarily taking direct equity stakes, discussions may involve warrants or loans, potentially using revised CHIPS Act funds. This potential support catalyst has been likened to government support for critical technology companies like Intel and MP Materials. Aside from quantum computing's strategic importance, projected market growth ranges from roughly $300 million in 2024 to $4 billion by the early 2030s, or even $100 billion over the next decade if technical hurdles are overcome, according to Bank of America and McKinsey analyses, giving the quantum computing crowd another reason to rally around Rigetti, even while revenue remains modest and profitability elusive. Not to mention its advances in fidelity, modular architectures, and hybrid quantum classical integration that are taking meaningful steps toward practical quantum advantage and scaling high-qubit systems for research and industrial applications. Now, while the 2030s are still a ways away, stay on top of other exciting stock charts with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.